Yes, blessings. Welcome back in the people. I'm talking about none other than Planka boss, Aunty Donna. Donna Marie, go to the flipping world. Now, people, the hate on social media has reached a next level. Most persons out there turn enemy against Donna for no reason at all. Donna went live yesterday now, and she was talking about the hate that she received on social media. Although Donna knows that a person love her, but it's a shame to see all the big woman them on social media hate Donna for no reason at all. You get me I say? And guys, when me are talking, I always say, Donna is not God, but she always do more good than the few little bad which she do on social media. You get me? I may say bad, I mean in terms of she makes some things that come out her mouth or shouldn't come out her mouth. But otherwise, some that people, Donna have done so many good in a real life and on social media. And it's there. It's video on top of video that she put out doing good deeds that people up to today not like her for. Up to today, the people them still a fight Donna. You get me I say? And if you look upon the people them who are take on Donna and I try to bring her down, these people, them not have nothing to for themselves and the people. Them not really make no sense. And what them do, them just feed off of negative things. So whenever them get the negative things, them run with it. Whenever anything at all probably go down with Donna, them run with it and share it out to make other people get an idea to what is not going on. And then them run with the foolish, and then people tend to believe. And of course, so you have the other social media platform them that is going out there and spreading all kind of rumors about Donna. You get me I say? And I'm saying to myself, Donna is not honest. Donna is a normal human that come from Mountain View, and she elevate herself out of the ghetto, build a mansion, and right now she in America and I take care of her own self. And I'm saying, how can you hate somebody for that? You get me I say? How can you call somebody like that scammer? You see me I say? Why are these persons have so many problems with Donna? I'm as I wonder to myself, say, why them hate the woman so much? Them never help build her, but them want to bring her down. Them want to say the most negative things. If she's giving out a donation or she's helping someone, them want to know. Them want to know where the money coming from. Them want to know who's going to benefit from it. And they want to know everything at all. You get me I say? And people, Donna is in America right now, and yet still people are saying on social media that Donna need to go and go look at work. And I'm saying to myself, say, Donna have done so much over the years, and I know she probably saved so many money in her account just for rainy days and other business she have out there and things. So why would she need to work? And she's already working in America by doing her contract now and there. You get me I say? I may say these persons on social media, they are so bad mind of Donna's success. Is that them shocked? Them could not believe it. Them never expected Donna would have reached so far. They wanted Donna to stay like them. They wanted Donna to have nothing at all. You get me I say? I may say, why are these big women 40, 50, 60 year old on them page attack about Donna? What them get from it? What do they get from it? Some of them say Donna appear YouTube vloggers for talk about her. And I'm saying, come on now. If we want to come out and we want to defend Donna and we want to talk about Donna, all it matters to various persons. Because some of these persons on social media, all them do is talk about the lady in a negative way and try to bring her down to make money. And them not understand. So the more them do it, is the more them build her. And I'm saying this, when will they learn? When will they recognize that they are doing Donna a benefit? And they do it on a daily basis. Stupid people, angry people, calling the lady Bertha, giving the lady a different means to make money. I mean, I say them people are different. Them don't know so Donna go on her live, I just usually do it and say she wants some donation for somebody. The amount of money come in it's overwhelming. Enough of them will talk about Donna. If them go on them live and ask a donation, they will never get. He probably even get them. Probably would never come close to Donna. And this is no competition thing. This is just to show you how them people see. This is just to show you how them people them have the ambition. And what them do, them waste so many of them lifetime talking about Donna. Them waste so many opportunity. And I talk about Donna. And I'm saying, why are you guys spending so many times on Donna and talking negative things about the lady? Uno know her, somehow hate her, somehow know her, and yet still attack. Donna not pay on no mind. Still bring the negative thing on the page and talk about it. Warn again. What you guys gain? Is it worth it? It's all about content. It's all about money. What is the benefit of you guys talking so many things about Donna? Calling her a scammer. Calling her all kinds of names. When you say she there with GUN man. When you say she have this. When you say she have that. And nothing for sure. And I'm saying, why them people are still so? Why them people can't change them way? Why them people can't decide to change? I saw them want to get content to talk about Donna. What do they know about Donna? Because all them talk about Donna, you know, them have no evidence against Donna. All them can call up Donna name. It's just the same thing over and over. The same activity with them bring past social media. All them do is change the word tonight and put it back again. Laura are the main one. Obsessed with the woman so much. She's so obsessed with Donna. It's a shame. It's a shame. I'm saying to myself, why this lady so obsessed with Miss Bertha? So, what want to get from it? What's the talk of the town? Bertha? That's what T-Girl can call Donna? No, sir. Them people are really have some mental issues. These persons on social media, them on a different level. They might spend all them day talking about Donna, mad out over Donna's success and doing all these things. See me? Remember, Donna is not God. Must put God in front of everything that we are doing. But when we are sitting down on our platform and I burn out Donna, and I burn out Donna, and I burn out Donna and thing, what does it gain you? Or you benefit of it? When if you see Donna fall, or you gain? Why no want the worst for the woman and the woman not doing nothing at all? You see Maxine come out for Donna. I'm saying, come on. You and Donna have a difference in the past. And the world see it unfold on social media. And up to this day, it's almost like you still carry feelings. You still want inner things to Donna. You are the one like Marcia who don't want to be the person for the on top. It not worth it. You see me? It not worth it. This don't make no sense. You see me? I say people, I mean I say, yo, them woman here on social media different. Them not have no sense and a sense of humor. Them not know so the more them do this, or the more them put money in the woman pocket. I make I ask them again, what does it gain for behaving like that on social media? What does it gain for deal with people like that? You see me? Because if we can talk bad about Donna, a son can bring down the family members them, a son can bring down the friend them. Me I tell you people, the hate is real on social media. And guess what? I must say before, Donna is not Andrew Honest. And Donna get more hate than Andrew Honest on social media. Them people here make video on top of video talking about the lady. And want to see negative things happen to the lady so them can rejoice. No, sir. Enough is enough, people. Too much people are eat the lady. Although Donna, God for your planketeer them and them will support her to the end. And who don't want to be a planketeer and who want to be an enemy and thing, and who want to come over who want to jump on the rest of them team, when we can do it. But all me can say is that as long as Donna I do the right thing and she always be the right thing, God I can always bless her. You see me? So people, best upon yourself, man. Best upon yourself and stay tuned.